Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block whispers from strangers on Twitch, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and after that tap on this profile button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on settings. After that, click on security and privacy at the top of the screen, which is the fourth section. After that, you should scroll down to the privacy section, and here you can find the block whispers from strangers feature that you can turn on by tapping on this button. So here you can block whispers from strangers unless you whisper them first. A stranger is anyone who is not someone you follow, someone you subscribe to, one of your mods, or one of your editors. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.